One night, the animals had a crazy idea. What does the moon taste like? Huh? Sweet or salty? Let's try it. Little Turtle climbed a high mountain. He reached up. Too far. Little Elephant, help me. Little Elephant stood on Turtle's back. He reached up. Still too far. Giraffe came. Still too far. Then, Little Mouse came. The moon looked down and laughed. That little mouse? No way. Snap! Little Mouse took a bite. He shared it with everyone. Yum! The moon tastes so good. But down in the water, little fish looked up. Huh? Why try so hard? The moon is right here. So, what does the moon taste like? One day, Little Spider wanted to open a shop. What should I sell? She thought. I'll sell masks. Masks are easy to make. Soon, a customer came. Welcome, welcome, Little Spider said happily. It was a big hippo. Oh my, your mouth is really big, she whispered. Little Spider worked all day. At last, the mask was done. That night, she said, masks are hard. I'll sell scarves. Much easier. The next day, a tall customer came. It was a giraffe with a long, long neck. Oh dear, so long, Little Spider gasped. Little Spider knitted and knitted. One whole week went by. Next time, I'll sell socks. Small, small socks. But when she saw the new customer, oh no, so many feet. She ran quickly back to her web. I'm not ready yet, she called. Once upon a time, there was a very impatient caterpillar. He saw other caterpillars climbing a tree. Hey, where are you going? We're going to become butterflies. Butterflies? Wait for me. He zoomed up the tree. Now what? Build your chrysalis and wait 2 weeks. 2 weeks? That's way too long. He wrapped himself up fast. Am I a butterfly yet? No. How about now? No. Now? No. Be patient. But he could not wait. He burst out too soon. Thump! He fell to the ground. Oh no! Where are my wings? His friend smiled. Growing takes time. So he tried again. This time, he waited, and waited, and waited. Crack! I did it! I'm a butterfly! Waiting was so worth it. One morning, Little Ant invited Elephant to his home. Come to my house, Ant said happily. Little Elephant came with 2 apples. He walked to the door. But Ant's door was very small. It was even smaller than Elephant's toe. Oh no, said Elephant. I can't get inside. Ant stopped and thought. Wait, I have an idea, said Ant. and called his little friends. Heave ho, heave ho! They carried the food outside. They spread a big picnic mat. Elephant, come sit here. Plop! Little Elephant sat down. They laughed and ate together. With friends, every place is a happy place. One day, Little Monkey saw a cornfield. Wow, so much corn, he said. He picked some corn and walked on. Soon, he saw a peach tree. Peaches, they look sweet, he laughed. He dropped the corn. He picked some peaches. After a while, he reached a watermelon field. This is even bigger, he shouted. He dropped the peaches. He picked up a big watermelon. On the way home, Little Monkey saw a rabbit. The rabbit ran away. So cute! Wait for me, he called. Little Monkey stopped. He looked at his hands. Oh, there is nothing left. Finally, Little Monkey went home empty-handed. Can you choose one thing and keep it? One day, Little Gecko lost his tail. Oh no, my tail is gone, he cried. I need a new tail. He saw a cow eating grass. Excuse me, can I borrow your tail? Cow shook his head. Sorry, I need it to chase flies. Then he saw Monkey in a tree. Hello, can I borrow your tail? Monkey laughed. Sorry, I need it to swing. Then he saw Swallow flying. Hey, can I borrow your tail? Swallow said, Sorry, I need it to control my direction. Little Gecko felt sad. He crawled home slowly. He told his mom everything. Mom smiled. Sweetie, turn around and look. Wow, I have a new tail. It grew back all by itself.